Today I'm going to be building a new computer. I'm really excited. I've been building computers for about 20 years, and my last computer I built 8 years ago, and it served me really well, but it's really slow for gaming and especially for video production. Every time I build a computer, something inevitably always goes wrong. So let's see what happens this time.
The processor.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
So as you can see, there is a lot of stuff crammed into a very small amount of space. While this case is very well designed, where this caused problems is with some of the cable connections, such as the serial ATA ports. The cable connections are a little bit tight, especially at the very end of the process when I installed the CPU power. It was almost impossible to reach my hands back behind the heatsink and plug that in. But aside from that, it's a very well designed case. I did replace the 2 stock fans with a total of 5 Corsair fans, and then I bought what is possibly the most absurdly large CPU fan and heatsink to help keep my processor cool. But hopefully I applied the thermal paste correctly the first time, because I do not want to have to rip this open again. Alright, it's time to give it a spin. Wish me luck. There is one more thing I need to do before I get everything set up, and that's clean up the mess I made when I disassembled my old computer to salvage the hard drives. And then at the same time, Rich is running SpinRite on one of my old hard drives because it's not running well, and I need to copy over about 100 gigabytes worth of photos from it. I cleaned off my desk space, looks a lot better. Now it's time for the moment of truth. I'm going to power up the computer and we'll see what happens. Keep your fingers crossed. So far, so good. It seems to be booting up. And it's booting up Windows, even though I'm using new hardware. But I'm going to go on ahead and reformat my main hard drive and give it a fresh start. All of my files have been restored, everything is up and running, and I'm ready to get started on our next episode. So thanks as always for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you again soon. Alright, today I'm going to be building... Now it's time for the moment of truth. I'm going to power on the computer and we'll see what happens. Nothing, because I didn't turn on the PSU.